Hello there guys and welcome to your Linux tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to talk about the history command. Now the history command is used to display your command execution history. So if I for example write history and press enter, then I can actually look at all of the commands that I executed. Now as you will notice this number 2061 and the number on the far up is 1062. Okay, so basically history is remembering, if I'm counting this correctly, history is remembering only 1000 commands in the past. Okay, and you can actually make it remember more by, you can Google like how do I make history remember more entries. However, just understand that history can be used to actually look at the contents of your history, right? Of your command history. So let's actually talk about how we can search through the history, and we're actually going to talk about in the next tutorial or in the following tutorial. But if you want to search through history with the tools you already know, you can use history and then you can pipe it with grep and then you can search for example, find. So basically this will find all of the lines where we used find, okay? This is going to find all of the lines where we used find. Now, as I just said, history is stored, not everything is stored in history, and your history is stored in a file called bash history, and this file begins with a dot, and the first dot in the file name indicates that that is a hidden file. And again, if you want to change how much history entries you are storing, you should Google it and follow some tutorial or whatever, okay? But basically, history is used to display your command history, and .bash underscore history is the file your history entries get stored in. Okay, so this is pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Talk soon.